Hi, my name's Allan. I work for IMA Schelling UK Limited and I'm the works manager. My responsibilities are for the showroom, doing demonstrations, preparing the machines, moving the machines around if we have a different machine in the showroom. Then I have to install it, set it all up, ready for customers to look at. Out here in the workshop, I refurbish all the used machines that come in, whether it be saw, shredder, and recently we've just got our first edge bander here to do. I've worked for Schelling and now IMA Schelling for 27 years. So I've seen the progression of the machines from the early machines now to the modern machines. So pretty much any machine that's out there I've seen. The machines that we offer now are fully refurbished. First of all, the machine comes in, we start a process of cleaning, and any visible damage or anything like that we repair at that stage. Then we start and do any paint work that needs doing. After that stage is done, we rebuild the machine, set the machine up, test the machine, and at that stage, anything that doesn't work correctly, we rectify, either with new parts or resetting it. Then we function test it all for calibration, accuracy, and then we leave it rebuilt for a customer to come and see, so he can actually see the machine running before he buys it. We like them to bring their own material, even whether it's a saw in the showroom or a saw out here second hand or an edge bander. They bring their own material and we will set it to their material. The quality of the machinery is second to none. That's why I'm here. The lifespan of it can be increased by retrofitting new computer, new software, but the standard of the engineer is still there. So they're getting an upgraded machine which has still got years of life left in it, and we can still service these machines. We still have parts for them. We've had saws come in before and we've retrofitted the new software to them, put the new evolution software on. Then we have to change drives, motors. It's not just a case of putting a new computer in it. We have to change the old, so the new software will run it. So we change the drives, motors, encoders up to new standard. When something comes in, the worse it is, the more of a challenge it is, the more I like it. Making something that looks worn out into something then that looks new is quite satisfying when you've finished it and you see it going to a customer done. People should buy used machines from Schelling UK because of the reliability. We still offer good service and parts. The used machines come with warranty and they're getting a good machine at lesser money than a new machine.